We'll start with the Mustard C49S. This is a size 16, but you can tie this on much smaller, down to a size 26. This is brown sheer 40-knot. So we'll just attach this. Now we go back about halfway, remove that. Then I've got cobweb 80 white, so I'll just pass this behind and catch it in and make a couple of turns, and then I'll pull it through. That will do me there. And I can go back down. We want to go quite far down into the bend for this midge pattern. It's a great little pattern. And we go back up and we go up there. I want to just thicken the body out a little bit there. Go forward. Now with the 80 thread, the white, what I want to do is I want to spin it clockwise to give it a round profile, because I'm going to rib this midge pattern with that. So we'll just go around. I want just a few turns, open, rib. Like so, and then we'll come up here and take our whip finisher and we'll just put a finishing knot in there with the white. We'll remove that. We just secure the ends of that down and cover the white at the head. I want to go back a little ways in the thorax to there. Then what I'm using is organdy. This is a synthetic organza. You get it from hobby shops or sewing shops. Comes in loads of different colours, but all we need there is just a few strands. This is about 10 strands. So we just go over there, a couple of loose turns at the rear of the thorax, and then we can pull this through. So we don't have to cut anything off, and we go over the front like this. And I've got some rusty brown superfine, which will just loosely dub onto our thread. We want quite a bulbous thorax. And go forward, four to five turn whip finish, remove that. The wing wants to be about the same length as the thorax, and we just cut that off, and that's it. That's the top secret midge. It's works really well under most situations, and especially in the very smaller sizes. If you enjoy the videos, please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.